is part number 7 of this 282 repair. Found another issue today on Austin's American Flyer. Don't go away. At some point during the history of this engine, someone decided to replace the wiring between the tender and the engine with this beautiful rainbow wire. This type of wire is found very commonly with American Flyer accessories, where it works excellently. However, it does have a significant drawback when being used in this type of an application. That drawback is the wire is very stiff. So what happens in an application where it's used to connect an engine and a tender is on a section of track like this where there's simply one curve and then another straight. As this engine goes through this curve either forwards or backwards, the stiffness of the wire causes the tender to tilt and lose contact with the track, therefore cycling the reverse unit. And as you saw, causes the engine to not work very well. So what I am going to do is replace this, what's called a jack plate, or a jack here at the back. I'm going to replace that with a new one and also run new wire between here and the reverse unit in the engine.